a second by your buddy. You gotta pull the trigger. Go ahead, pull the trigger. See this button? That'll lock your trigger. There you go. I don't know if there's any fuel in it, so you're probably gonna have to leave it choked for a minute. Oh, half choke. Take the half. Keep your trigger locked. Take it back to full choke, but don't turn the choke all the way off. Just take it to half. Okay. So whenever it fires,
take it in a half.
Take it in a half, but leave the trigger locked.
Okay.
Well, she needs
probably needs a little fuel.
We're quite a bit higher in elevation to my place.
Really?
Yeah, quite a bit. So it needs this screw turned out. It needs a little bit more fuel, so we gotta turn this screw out just a little bit, and I bet she'll do a lot better now.
No choke or anything?
So what you want to do is you want to use the trigger lock now. Still might need some choke.
Just a tad. Smitty, I can't thank you enough, bro.
She could still use a little tuning.
She needs
Did I give you a goodie? I gave you a goodie bag, right?
Yeah.
I didn't even know I was in this. I just told you, are you
You asked me, and I was like, I wonder if I am, so I walked up and asked.
grab more wood. you killed it for the first time doing it.
What?
I think you killed it for the first time doing it.
Oh yeah, I got 0.
How'd you get 0?
I ran to 49.10.
Oh, they knocked him down?
Every shot. Everyone went flying.
You ran the 501. What's your secret?
I think I'm staying.
The whole secret of the thing is just leaving them pinned and coming out of it.
Dude,
I tried everything I could.
I was yanking out of it. I was almost scared I was going to
I yanked the one out and Jake cut all the way through, so I went around the other side and then got kicked it off. I was like, okay, and then the next cut I didn't get through again.
I don't know. I think I tied for last.
Really great round that time.
So if we
This is still 11.
Yeah, Chase is still on top.
So if you tie for last, does that mean you have to have a tiebreaker?
What's that?
If you tie for last, then you have to have a tiebreaker?
We have Garrett Barker on stand 2, Gregory on stand 4, Jack Race on stand 6,
Your cane was way too short.
and John
I just kept
W. on
grabbing it.
stand
I
4.
was like, ah!
I didn't run out of gas. That's really. That's an improvement in itself. I didn't run out of gas.
I had 4 last year, got 5 this year.
Oh, really? All right, so you improved.
But I had that freaking black pipe sticking up and they were tilting like this. And I'm like,
Then I'm gonna go down like that and cut them in half.
No, he said it had to be a complete hit. That I totally was
almost
Grant, doesn't matter when you go.